Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by powering and preparing the Nova 5, plug in USB-C or insert the 4 GHz dongle. Open SteelSeries GG on your PC so the software can detect firmware updates and EC presets. Make sure Windows sound settings are accessible. Go to Sound Control Panel. You want the device recognized before proceeding because drivers and profiles install automatically once GG sees the headset. This avoids later conflicts when switching audio outputs. Once done, connect the headset via your chosen method. If wired, plug into a USB port and select the Nova 5 as default playback and default communication device in Windows. If using the dongle, plug into a USB 3.0 port and keep the headset near the dongle while pairing. Then use SteelSeries GG to configure chat mix, microphone gain, and surround sound. You should test audio and mic levels with a quick recording or call to confirm both channels are routed correctly. Now finalize settings. Run the Windows playback test and the SteelSeries GG hardware diagnostic to verify drivers and mic function. If firmware updates are pending, apply them and restart both PC and headset. This resolves most compatibility issues. Make sure exclusive mode is disabled in Windows for apps that steal audio. If something goes wrong, repair or move the dongle to a different USB port and try toggling Bluetooth off. These steps usually fix connection or audio dropouts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.